Hello friends, Namaste. This is the unboxing of Samsung Smart Oven. This is Shreyank Ranade. Let's do the quick unboxing and let's see what's inside this Smart Oven. Easy cook and with more possibilities. Yeah. And these are the the functioning buttons. This on off and this kind of a mid-range microwave oven, and it is enough for the basic purposes of like cooking, grilling and other aspects, which is quite it will be fast to cook, and even otherwise using electricity and multifunctioning and other aspects. Most of it we won't be using, but some of them will be really useful for day-to-day usage. So that's why it is preferred. And even when the food is somewhat cold, or when the food is cooked in the morning, it can be heated easily by the evening, and can be consumed as a fresh and hot. So there are multiple advantages, and of course when it is switched on, the mobile must not be used near to this microwave oven, they say in the caution, and otherwise it seems very nice. Hello friends, Namaste. This is the unboxing of Samsung Smart Oven. This is Shreyank Ranade. Let's do the quick unboxing and let's see what's inside this Smart Oven. Easy cook and with more possibilities. Yeah, 28 liter is the oven. This brand name is Samsung, and model name is MC28M6036CB. That's a convection microwave with they say the speciality is sun dry and masala. I don't know what masala they are speaking, but sun dry option is a very good option if you are want to dry something very quickly. And you open it. Let's see. Safely packed. We have a microwave oven in front of us. Wow, that's neatly tucked in, packed well to avoid any sort of damages while carrying. So this is the plate which is used while circulation and microwaving of food items. So we are opening this brand new microwave Smart Oven. So this is the front view of this oven with multifunctioning tasks, and yeah, this is it, the new oven of the year. So this is the connecting cable with which it is coming to the electricity, and they say that so this was launched and manufactured in November 2020. This is the holistic view of this microwave. We have lids in the down for the grip, rubber lids, and this is the background, and this is the length, and moreover this electricity usage is written over here. So let's open this microwave for the first time, and we are seeing, so this is how it is opened, and yeah, these are the functions, and let's see what it explains exactly. It has some usage guidelines and how to do, what are the things which can be cooked, which can be fried, and all these aspects. Okay, so we have a quick user guide and other things for the details, and we have a tawa kind of thing. So this is how it looks. I know this is a common model, and we have a lid, and this is a smart buttons, and yes, this is it is. Meanwhile, I am just scanning through this user manual which is on this cover. Yeah, let's go through what it says: how to maintain, installing accessories, safety instructions, oven features, etc., which is common for everyone. it is needed to be read, otherwise you may tend to do some things which will be affecting the performance or the overall quality of this oven itself. So this is it is. I offer preferred because it has a good user satisfaction ratings, and more than the ratings, I saw the reviews and all, and it was quite good for the range. So this is what we can do. That's a tawa fry kind of thing, yeah, for grilling and even otherwise. This is the wheel on which that glass plate is kept, and above which it can be used, and other cooking essential aspects. So once again, thank you very much for joining in this quick unboxing video, and its performance and other aspects can be reviewed later on, but it is seemingly very nice with the matte finish over it, and more than anything, the brand value, and moreover it is looking premium, and for the price range of 20 to 25k, this was seemed to be a very good microwave oven. Yeah, just the functioning of it. Thank you once again for joining. Hope it was useful for you. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind. Have a great day.